Guys, so today at AmpQuartz we're going to compare the difference between the custom-made kitchen cabinet and the pre-made one.
So the first features of custom kitchen cabinet is going to be the tailored fit and design. The beauty of custom cabinets is their ability to adapt to the quirks of your kitchen. Uneven walls, odd angles or challenging layouts aren't barriers but opportunities for innovation. This flexibility also allows you to design around your lifestyle. Need a narrow pull-up spices by the stove? It can be done. Want cabinets that flow seamlessly into wall, almost invisible? That can be done too. So the second benefit is going to be the material choice. Custom builds let you cherry-pick material to match both aesthetic and functional needs. Fancy exotic wood like zebra wood or wench, you can have it. Want quartzite countertops because marble too high maintenance? Done. But every choice carries weight. Exotic woods may warp in humidity, and even the most durable stone may not outlast your expectation. Even more, they are very expensive. The unique design elements is also one of the features that comes with custom kitchen cabinet. Specialized features set custom cabinetry apart. You can have pull-up shelves for your appliance, hidden compartments, custom molding or integrated lighting tailored to your habits. But with each added features comes an added level of complexity. It might sound like a dream to have a custom shelving that fits your pot perfectly, but custom solution can sometimes mean committing to a layout that won't easily adapt to change. Fourth, the high quality craftsmanship. Skilled artisans or specialized manufacturers bring custom cabinetry and countertops to life. This craftsmanship is where custom truly shines. Every joint, corner and detail crafted. It's hard to replicate this level of care in pre-made options, but there are costs to this attention to details. They make mistakes, they run behind schedule, and sometimes their vision and yours do not match perfectly. When it comes to the cost of custom cabinets, they are an investment in time and money. The labor involved in design and constructions along with the use of premium materials drives the price up significantly, but even though you're paying something one of a kind, it doesn't always translate into resale value. What works beautifully for you might not suit for future owners, and that thought will linger. When it comes to processing time, with custom work, the timeline stretches. You are looking for weeks, often months, and back and forth consultation, revisions, and waiting for materials to arrive. That long-waited kitchen might start feeling like a never-ending project, and there's always that creeping worry that delays will push it even further out, turning what was supposed to be a dream kitchen and a prolonged test of patience.
So remember to hit the subscribe button and like and share the video.
So the first thing about the pre-made kitchen cabinet is the standard sizes. They are available in fixed sizes which may or may not fit your kitchen perfectly. If your kitchen has strange nooks, expect to deal with gaps or filler pieces that don't quite match the rest of the design. It's like wearing a suit that almost fits but tucks in the wrong places. Adjustment can be made, but you always know that somewhere in the corner of your kitchen's compromise must be made. Secondly, the limited customization. There is certain simplicity to pre-made option. You pick from a few material, colors and finishes, but those choices feel limited. As though you're operating within invisible boundaries, you might not even know what you're missing until you see someone else's custom cabinets and realize just how much more creative you could have been. Pre-made countertops similarly come with predefined cuts and edge profiles, so you won't have the waterfall effect or integrated sink unless you're ready to compromise. So when it comes to installation, one of the biggest draws of stock cabinet is speed. Need your kitchen ready in a week? Stock cabinets are the answer. There's something satisfying about getting things done quickly, but in the other hand, the cabinet grew fast, the countertop settled in place, but sometimes fast solutions just leave you wondering if you should have waited in terms of the design and creativity that you could have done. In terms of cost, if custom cabinets are a luxury, pre-made ones are practical. They are affordable, mass-produced, and fit most kitchens with a bit of tweaking, but in saving on cost, you often lose out on the quality of materials and craftsmanship. You will have saved money upfront, but stock cabinets might show wear and tear faster than their custom counterparts, leading to repairs or replacements sooner than you think. When it comes to the availability, pre-made cabinets are available at home improvement stores or online, often sitting in a warehouse just waiting for you to pick them up. There's comfort in their availability, no long lead times, no endless design discussion, but it's also the convenience that strips away the personal touch. and they can feel strangely impersonal in a space that's supposed to be a heart of your home to someone. When it comes to the quality of stock cabinets varies, but they generally don't match the high standards of custom builds. You might get something sturdy and functional, but it won't have the enduring presence of a custom craftsmanship. It's mass production designed to work for the average kitchen, but rarely the best fits for yours. The glossy finish may look good for a year or two, but eventually the edges will start to chip and the hardware will loosen. This is also one of the points that you have to consider.
For AmpQuartz, we also have amazing carpentry. For example, we have over 1,000 plus of designs and material for you to customize your own ideal kitchen cabinet. And we also have very professional, dedicated cabinet consultant. So, when you come to us, consult with our dedicated cabinet consultant, you will be provided up to 3 times of free 3D drawings, and this is for you to ensure that our design and material suit your every need and desires. And after your installation is completed, you will get about 2 hours of free cleaning service. So, if you say, hey, kitchen cabinet very expensive, but no worries, we provide you up to 24 months of installment with 0% of interest to ensure that you won't have any cash flow problem, but also you can bring home your ideal kitchen cabinet.
Finally, remember to visit us at Taman Gaya to lock down the price now with us, as the price of renovation costs are keep increasing due to the supply chain and the economy of Malaysia. Act now.